You don't know what you are doing. You don't know. Don't worry. Away from my childhood, right? You don't know we have traffic. I will slap you. Move it. Leave her. Don't mind now. Oh God, big. Hey, shut up. Relax. Everything we get, both heaven and earth, we are easy. Now just 15,200.
Chai!
You know reach 20,000. Ah. I'm coming, officer. You go go jail. You know if you raise 50,000.
I won't say him now.
You just like your boyfriend. Just 1 minute, sir. 1 minute, sir. You know.
What be this?
Okay, we are doing. You know the way I want to see him. You see, you carry my office around. So over that 45, so now I have to talk well. I'm not gonna lie me, you go jail. I'm not gonna lie me, you go jail. No, they need that. If you collect from open, I see your phone there with you. They collect loan. Okay. Even part of that money we won't pay you. Now pay I collect them. They say they find me for house.
Jesus.
That's the country now. Pampe Oko. No, they know if I was there sitting at my number, they will block us straight.
Chai!
You know it's at the thing. You like say we go sell that your phone to me. If you say my phone, wait I'll take you. You don't give. I go reach my people now. You not go start from square one that time. You go use the balance what we leave for you. Hustle and then buy another one. It's better than me go jail. What they go do you things for jail? When they search you said they put on this your pianka. Inside that phone we are no one lose.
Jesus.
You know, this guy go jail and this go pay me. This guy go jail. He go jail. Officer Ziggy, what did they happen for a year now? He just explained me, say he get some major challenges when he stop and come. You know, say this guy carry me run. 1 million I no go carry you come up for this case. 1 million, no go save us.
Chai!
God have mercy upon us.
Officer, see me making this work here. And you see as I dey talk. You see as I dey beg. See as my constable dey talk to me because of you. See as my constable dey talk to me. They tell me 1 million no go save you from this was it. Now, take an ID. You understand? Things not to the end. In fact, I nearly check in history. The last time this guy done anything at all, like 8 years ago. Very patient take. Ziki. This boy, there's a bit lie. That guy will get like 20 million for his account. Yeah. The way the guy is so blessed, you know, guy. No, arrest this boy. Hey. I beg, no play with me. Ziggy, now you tell me, you say you know this boy. Where you hear me to say I know him? You say you know, and when you give her your uniform, collect my gun, give her. You hear the words from my mouth say I know the boy. You know where this boy is staying. Now 12 and 9 plan this thing. I know where this boy is staying. Oh yeah, where my gun, Ziggy? Ziggy, I say where my gun is. Trust no one in life. In this life. Today I don't live, but trust no one. People when me and I don't they talk, and if you say okay, I don't they reach for his soul. I won't beat the money call for 50,000, call 45,000. Now 45,000 and they follow this boy, they talk for lessons. Trust no one. Ziggy, meet me for station. The street, where you they go? Where you go?
God
where you they go? Trust no one.